Alright, I'm going to show you guys how you can reset the maintenance reminder on your 2014 Lexus RX. Now this thing will display, looks like maintenance reminder there. It's telling me that it needs an oil change. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit the menu button down here on our control pad, and that's going to bring this menu up. And what we're going to do is go over to setup, and then you can see the little car with the gear, and click that. That's going to bring us to maintenance. And then now you can see we're in the maintenance menu. It's got all our maintenance things, all the stuff that the dealer would go through to reset or set up initially. And you can also add some personal things in here as well if you have notes that you want to have pop up. So we can see that the engine oil, it looks orange, but it's actually red. So we'll select that, and then these mileages and date will be sort of preset in there to whatever it was before, and it also shows you the remaining kilometers. So it looks like we have our oil change set for 10,000 K, and the date is April the 17th, 2023. Reset. Would you like to update this maintenance item, engine oil? We will select yes. Maintenance item, engine oil, has been reset. Now it's just going to sit on this screen for about 5 seconds. Now you can see that we have a remaining 10,000 kilometers to go, and it's also going to go by this date here. It looks like it's already preset in there. It's going to automatically push it forward however much time it thinks. Now it's going to have like your calendar, all the dating and stuff. As long as the battery hasn't been disconnected in the memory, it's going to have all the dates, so it'll automatically push that forward. So that's pretty well bang on. Like I say, 4 months. I'm just going to leave it like that, and then we can just hit either OK, or in the top right corner we can go back to get us back to our main menu.